be washing all my squishies.
Hey guys, it's me, Nora.
But before...
I'm just here, guys.
Interrupting.
Because I might get in trouble for using the bath.
Yeah.
But all my squishies can't fit in the sink, so
Anyways, so we're going to be washing my squishies. They're already in the bath. Because I couldn't be bothered to just pre-do it now, so yeah. Anyways, yeah. So yeah, they're already in the bath. And before I get started, I have a chance for you watching. I want to see if you can like, click subscribe, and turn on all post notifications in just 5 seconds. I hope you're all ready, because here goes the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. No cheating. If you successfully completed the 5-second challenge, I want you to comment below. How recently have you washed all your squishies? But if you didn't complete it, make sure to complete it right now, because I really want to get 15 or more subscribers. Anyways, now let's get started. So first, we have...
Guys, wait, just a quick message to Molly's channel.
Yes.
Guys, I actually do love you to pieces, but I just can't do it. If I could, I would, but I'm only allowed to mess with water during the day and not night, because it's currently 2012.
Yeah, 8:12, so... Anyways, yeah.
And me and Molly go to bed in like an hour and a half, so...
Oh, I get to go to bed at 10 tonight.
Oh, why?
Because it's a weekend. Anyway, so this is my first one. I do not like it, but I used to. But I do like it, but I don't. I think he just popped.
What?
I think he just popped in my hand. He's not a squishy.
Everyone, comment down below RIP Block.
Oh, I'm going to bury him tonight or tomorrow.
Like it's Sarah and chilling with Rachel does.
Yeah. Anyways, ignore that.
I'm going to make a video of burying our squishies because my blob exploded as well.
Yeah. Anyways, so my next one is a set of 3. And try not to fall into the bath. It is a mushkins. So it's this lily frog.
Wait, Molly.
Pop that in. What? No, stop interrupting my video.
Shall I call while you doing this and then you can call me back after?
No. Anyway.
Why? You're being a bit loud and I'm trying to watch TV.
Okay. Goodbye. See you later.
No, it doesn't matter.
Okay. I'll just go on mute.
Okay, you can go on mute. It's fine.
Molly?
Thanks, Seth. Oh,
One
that's
sec.
with it.
Okay.
No, love
So
it.
we have
What's
one.
on my bedside table? So where's what's on my bedside?
I love them. Next, we're going to put these in the bath. Woo! There's a head knocking on the door. It's my mum saying I'm actually in the bath. No, I'm not. I might go in the bath. I wish I could go in the bath.
Joyce.
I wish I could go in the bath, but I can't. It feels so nice. My foot's kind of in it right now, so it feels nice.
Okay.
Anyways, so that was really nice. Anyways, back to the video. Next we have a squishy Nora made me, and it sinks. Look at it. Oh my gosh, that was wild. I'm just going to dry my arm. Anyways, next we have, if I can get it without sinking my hand, we have this lovely squishy octopus. It's a fake needle, that's sad. I'm scared. Pop it in, just going to gently pop it. Anyways, my next one. Oh, it's so soft. No, I don't like it soft. Anyways, this is it. It's a needle. It's a needle. A needle. A needle. A needle. Guys, I made up an ad for needle. I'll show it you. If you need the perfect sensory toy, And make sure to get yourself a needle. They are super trendy right now, so squish. And you can squish it, squeeze it, and stretch it. Woo! So get it today at Smith Toy Superstores or online. So yeah, this is it. It's so nice. This one makes a really big splash. So I'm just going to carefully put it in. Next we have another type of squishy. What's this? It's this. It's literally just this. It's wet. I don't like how it's wet. But it's going to be wet. It's in a bath. Forgot about that. So yeah, this is it. Oh, that sounds so nice. This is it. Put that back. Next we have a Mochi. Just a little cute dinosaur. It's so cute. I could literally marry him. He's so nice. He can go back. He can down. Anyway, sorry. Next we have a squishy dumpling. That is so nice. So nice. I'm going to put it in my lotion and it'll probably sound really nice. So I'm just going to get some. This is some lotion. Just need to get it. So I got some. Made it really slippery, but I think that's okay. That is so nice. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that today, but it genuinely, this is so nice. Put that back in the bag. Okay, my next one is a really cute one. The bath feels so nice. It is a little puppy bag. I think it's super cute. Just this. It's really nice. That can get plopped. Is my final one is this. And comment down below which one's your favourite. Oh my gosh. Anyway, should I get in? I'm gonna get in. Like guys, watch me get in. I'll actually get in.